Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain about this STAFFERIN. We are the workforce management solution designed for security firms. Once you hit STAFFERIN, as you can see here in the pricing page, we offer a very competitive price of 3 CAD per employee. And we offer like almost 40 plus features like NFC, patrol, QR patrol, GPS patrol, SOS emergency, shift-wise task assignment, asset tracking, patrol monitoring, and lot of stuff. In order to log in, you can just watch a detailed video about it here, and you can also get a detailed document about all our features here as well. Just click on login. Once you click on login, you will be navigated to this page. Here we offer like two features. Like we support sign in through Google and iOS as well. If you have a Google account, just click on Google and that's it. So you will be navigated to this to the page. You can it's an easy login. So this is one of the great feature about the Staffrin. And let me take a dummy account and show you how our software works. I'm just using the credentials to log in. So once you log in, it will be navigated to the organization page. So I've just logged in. It will be take it will take me to the organization page. Here you need to select an organization. The beauty of it is like it suppose multiple organization, multiple time zones. For example, if you have an organization, one in Vancouver, another in Toronto. Like one is the PST time zone, another in the EST time zone. So you have to create another organization. Just click on create organization and just click on create organization and create the organization in that time zone, like in that PST time zone. So our software supports multiple organization with with different time zones as well. Okay, and then once you're okay with the selection, just click on proceed. Then it will take you to the our dashboard. So here in the dashboard, you can see that we have an incident report, late check-in, open shift claim request, shift swap request, resolve ticket, recent activity, and so on. The purpose of this dashboard is like it gives you analytics about what is going on in your organization. For example, let me select a custom like date range, and you can see here we have an different incidents that have occurred in site. For example, the site A is one of the job site that you want to pull out the data. As you can see here, you can see here there are like three incidents that have occurred, and you can see accidents and the other. So the beauty of this software is like the incident report form is customizable based on the site specific. For example, let me take you to this other one, setup tab, and here you can see the incident report setting. In the incident report setting, you can see here once you select the site, you can see different fields for the incident report. Let me if you the this fields can be customizable based on the site, and we have an option to add more fields according to your site requirement as well. So like if you have like two sites, and you want a different and now in this site B you have only one field or three field, just click on it. So this the like customizable incident report form is possible with a Stafferin software. Like just go to the settings, incident report settings, and select the fields that you want the site to be displayed, and select and hit save. That's it. So this incident report form is customizable. So each site will have their own unique incident report, and you have an analytics as well that will let you know like how many incidents are happening across the time period. For example, for a 1 month, how what are the incidents that have been targeting. And we have another great feature, that is the late check-in feature. The purpose of the late check-in feature is you will know. I have already pre-populated this one, like selected this one on another tab for ease and convenience. As you can see here, Barack Obama has arrived late for during this period, and Donald Trump has occurred late 5 times, and Lady Gaga 3 times. So this way, you can know like how whether your employees in your organization are punctual or not. Like these analytics will give you a detailed look, and we have different options like line chart, pie chart, and pie chart, and we have another donut chart as well. So different charts to for ease and convenience. Like these charts will let you know like how your project like you can, this for your convenience. Like you should be able to get the data like how your organization employees are performing. So this is the great feature of the incident report form. And again, we have the main thing is like, admin settings. In the admin settings, this admin tab is visible only to the uh, only to the admin or the person who has the scheduling rights. Okay. Okay, let me open another tab. Let me show you the. Okay, let me log in to an employee credentials. Now I'm logging in with employee credentials. So as you can see here, this employee doesn't have any admin rights. So for example, this employee doesn't have any admin rights. As you can see here, these have a dashboard, shift management, HR management, project planning, and miscellaneous, and logout. That's it. But whereas when you see to the admin, he has admin settings as well. Okay, the like, the tabs are more because there are a lot of things that an admin can perform. And so once you go to admin settings, click on setup. As you can see, this is the setup sites tab. Like, these are the job sites that you have across your organization. The adding a job site is simple. Just click on add site and click on the site name, geofence, location, and then hit save. For example, I'll take an edit one. As you can see here, the here you can see, this is the site name, and what is the geofence distance. The geofence distance will let the employee sign in when the employee is within this radius. Okay. If you need any information like what is this tab, this form field is for, just hover on this icon. It will let you know, like, what is this field is for. The geofence distance determines the GPS radius within which employees can clock in. Specify an approximate distance in meters for accurate location tracking. Okay. Each field will have a clear description what is this for. Okay. Once you're okay with this distance, click on save. Then that's it. The site details are updated. Okay. If you want to change any of the geofence distance, click on the pencil icon and change the geofence distance to 300 meters or 200 meters. And that's it. And the distance, the site details are saved. Okay. And if for any reason this job site has been removed from your organization, just click on delete, and this way this job site is moved to an inactive site. And from the inactive site, you can move to anytime to active site as well. Okay. So this way, none of the data is lost. So all the information is either in active sites or inactive sites. Okay. So this is the thing. And if you need to know more about this feature, like what is this feature and what it does, just click on the sites management header. Once you click on the sites management header, you'll see a pop-up window opening up, like, with complete details like what it is and what it this is for, and what it needs to be done and everything. Okay. And that's it. If you want to search any of the sites, click on search. And page size, the page size is a wonderful field. Like, if you want to display only one entry for whole page, then click on one. If you want like 10, that's it. So on. And next is the positions feature. The purpose of this positions feature is like, um, it will you need to add all the positions that are available in your organization. For example, you have a security guard, site supervisor, assistant supervisor, director, so on. Just click on it, add position, and if you give them admin rights, they will be able to perform the scheduling rights for the whole organization. For example, if you add a position, like, if you add a position, um, say site director, and then if you give this admin rights tab open, and then this site director will be able to schedule the shifts for all the employees he's assigned. Okay. And you have a position wise coloring as well. Like, if you can assign the scheduling rights to this employee, and you can write the coloring is also possible in this one. Like, for each position you can give a unique color. And as you can see here, this assistant supervisor has been assigned the scheduling rights. If you don't want him to take the control of all the scheduling activities in your office, just remove that. So this tab will let you assign the positions that are that can do the scheduling rights in your organization. If you want to search any of the positions, just click on search and that's it. And if you want to know more about this position, just click on this one and it will give you detailed instructions about what is positions management feature in STAFFERIN and everything so on. Okay, and you can export it, import it. If you have a lot of positions in your organization, just click on import and upload all the positions in an Excel file and click on import position. That's it. Uh, and this all the positions will be auto populated here. Okay, and we have an employees tab as well. The purpose of this employees tab is like, you add all the employees details in your organization. The beauty of this tab is like, you have just go to add employee. Once you click on add employee, you can see you need to give like what is their first name, what is their last name, what is their email ID, what is their phone number, and what is the employee type, like full time, part time, casual. Let me take an existing employee and show you how it looks. As you can see here, you have an email ID, phone number, full time, admin roles as well. And our software allows multiple multiple positions, multiple periods. Suppose if an employee has multiple positions, multiple periods, our software supports it. How to do it? Just click on assistant supervisor and just give him the period. That's it. So now you can see this employee has having three positions in the organization with three different periods. Okay, three different periods. So this way, now once you click on save, as you can see here, it is asking me to update the details. Once you click on update, that's it. As you can see here, you can see he has three positions with three different periods. So this is the beauty of it. And one more thing, we have like a tax or certification. This is the, like for example, is some of the job sites require some of this like few certifications in order to uh, be eligible to accept that shift. So this tax features, you have to input all the certifications that these employee possess in this tax column, so that while scheduling an employee, you can see the certification and assign proper employees to that site. Okay, and weekly working hours. This is the great feature. Like if you input like 40 hours in the employee tab, while creating an employee, if you assign 40 hours, so our auto schedule will make sure this employee doesn't get shifts more than 40. So he will be prescribed only 40 hours, like up to a maximum of 40 or below. So the shift hours won't be crossing more than 40. So this is the great feature of the employee tab. And you can assign this employee multiple sites. Just click on this, that's it. If you don't want, like that's it. The red indicates red, and the checkbox indicate this employee is assigned with this site. Okay, and you can give them address, date of joining, and click on submit. And once you click on submit, as you can see here, this employee details is updated. As you can see now, this employee is present in like 4 sites. If you want to remove this employee to like only one site, just go to edit and then click on submit. That's it. So this employee is now available in only one site. Okay, and if you want this employee not to be assigned like multiple positions, just if you want only one position, that's it. Okay, and while creating an employee, there is another great feature, like this is admin tab. You shouldn't be allowing admin tab to this any of the employees, because if you enable this tab, this employee will be able to edit or delete the employees in the organization. So be careful while assigning this tab. Okay, well, the purpose of the position tab is for scheduling. The purpose of this admin tag is like, he can do scheduling, as well as he will be able to delete all the employees in the organization. So this is the great feature of like, employee tab. And the instant report settings tab, already I told you that the employees tab, as you can see here, you have an employee management, like once you click on the header, like you can see pop-up window opens up, and here you can like view all the information about what this tab is about, like what should we do, like if you're stuck with anything. It will give you a detailed what is weekly working hours, what is burnout prevention, like what is the pay rate, what you need to enter, everything is self-explanatory. If you are stuck at any point, just click on this hover, it will directly give what you need to enter this field. So this is the beauty of it. Like instant report settings tab, as I've already told you, like our software allows incident reports can be made site specific. Like if you want the form fields to be not uh, common for all the sites. Like, if you want this, like, incident report forms to be unique for each site, then go to the incident report settings form and click the site that you are desired to change, and then select the fields that you want, and then hit save. Once you hit save, that's it. So these fields only will be visible to them. And now you have a patrol tour. The purpose of this patrol tour is, like, you schedule a tour across the site. For example, the guard has to patrol, like, main gate, north entrance, loading dock, and storage room, server room, employee launch, perimeter, so on. And you create a tour and hit save. So we offer like three different types of patrol in our software. We offer like NFC, QR, and, like, GPS tracking as well. So once an employee does his patrol using the mobile app, we support Android and iOS as well. So once an employee goes to the tour, and like, you just, as an admin, you will be able to see, like, you'll be able to see the tours that they have done. For example, this is the tour, and once you click on the information, a window pops up giving you a detailed description of it. And once you click on PDF, this PDF feature will let you see, like, it's a dynamic report. You have the organization details, site details, and this executive summary is also dynamic. Like, how many points they have scanned, like, summary metrics. It gives like a total 9 scan points, like 7 have been done, 2 unscanned. And once you go to the uh, like, dashboard as well, as you can see the chart, like, how many are completed, and it gives the overall performance as well. And the key performance indicators, like, what is the time they have taken from one point to the other point, what is the minimum time they have taken, what is the maximum time they have taken, and how many points they have scanned, how many points they haven't scanned. And it gives you a timeline as well, and it gives you a location as well. And it will give you, like, what are the key observations in this patrol, and what are the recommendations prescribed, and everything. If you click on download, it will be downloaded into a PDF form, the same thing. Okay, so this is the patrol report feature. The same lies with the incident report as well. So once you go to the incident report form, and you can just navigate to that, like, you can see the employees have completed their incident reports or not. Like, for example, you can see here, this is the view. Here you can change it. Here you can change, like, the employee has updated the incident report, and if you feel that any of the information needs to be edited, just edit the information and hit save. So and then your details will be populated here. For example, if I change this report, okay, if I change this one, okay, and then if I hit update report, okay, some information is missing here. So, oh, it's asking, so a lot of information is missing, so it's asking me to, as you can know, some guards miss their, like, incident report is not updated. Once you, like, once you update it, just click on approve, then your then the approval details will be populated here. This way you will know whether the incident report created by the guards have been checked out or not. As you can see here, this has been approved by William Smith, and the timestamp is there. And the same you can download in PDF format as well. So once you click on PDF, that's it. So this one, okay. So this one, and we have another HR management as well. So in the HR management, we automatically take care of the leave management. Leave management. For example, what how it works is, we have in the admin settings, you need to define the leave policy setup. Like, what are the leaves that you want to give to your employees, like, sick leave, personal leave, bereavement leave, or casual leave, anything. We have different policies that have different types of leaves that have been set up. So we just click on the leave and create how many leaves that needs to be added on a recurring basis to the employees. So this way, the automatically the leaves are added to the leave table. And you have another option as well. So just go to the time of management and click leave balance, and just go to each of the employees and add manually as well. So if you want to add it dynamically, just go to the leave policy setup and create a strategy where you can, sorry, where leaves are automatically dynamically added. If you want your leaves to be updated manually as well, you can update it manually as well. Okay. And the applying leave is pretty simple. Hmm. The employee will log into their laptop or mobile app, and they will go to the time of management and they will apply the leave. And once they apply the leave here, and it will show up in the to the admin, like how many leaves are pending, like how many are for approval and sort of stuff. And you can see here this has been rejected. If you want to approve, you'll get a notification here to approve or reject. Once you approve it, this will an email will be sent to the employee saying that your leave has been approved. Okay. So and automatically the leave balance is automatically detected from the leave balance table. So this way you can keep a track of all the leaves that have been applied, and how many leaves are pending, how many leaves they have taken, everything over the year. So and if you want any of the leaves to be carried forward to the next year as well, the same feature is also available with us. As in the leave policy setup, you need to define no carry over allowed, unlimited, you just, if you have any uh, doubt about what is this feature, just hover it. It will give you detailed information about what this feature is and everything. Okay. So our software allows leave management, our software allows patrol reports, our software reports incident reports,